Hey guys, this is EYL8902 Alarms. This is going to be a collection video for 2026, my fire alarm collection. Let's get started. Before we start the video, I'd like to give thanks for reaching my channel for 2,000 subscribers, my first channel, EYL8902 Alarms. To give a thanks for your support, and there'll be more videos soon. So yeah, here's the video. So there's a lot here for sure. I think we should start from the back. So we'll start from the back. I'll try to remember the models off the top of my head, but I mean, it's been a long time. But yeah. Anyway, we got a Ansel rebranded Wheelock WST strobe. ESL, I think it's a 449C. The Honeywell detector, I think it's a TC something. I forgot what it is. Wheelock 7002T. Below it, I think that might be the light version. Yeah, that's the light version right there. We have the 7002 and the 7002T below it. We have the BNG1 M6 Bell MB810-24, Honeywell S464A, Simplex Lifeline speaker, Gamewell Century. There's an M46 something. In the collection, we have a Wheelock 7001T, Edwards A90 RDA, Biotector Phoenix, and the BNG1TS. Yeah. We have a Simplex, I think that is a 4939236, 4939219, I'm sorry, 16, Ansel rebranded MS2D, Gentex GOS, Simplex 2098-9201, Siemens OP121 with the DB11 base. We got System Master 2424. We have a Simplex 2098-9636 with 9211 base. This also has 9211 base. Simplex 2001 chime. Forgot the part of the end of the model number. We got Wheelock MIZ TC12-W. We have the Siemens DI3. We got Simplex 4098-9601. We got Simplex 4050-80-83 with 24-volt bulbs in it. The fire suppression panel, the Scorpio, I used to have. And the 411 UDAC communicator, which I'm probably going to sell because I have no use for it. And over here we have the Simplex 20903-9001. Next to it, we got a 20903-9002 and the 20903-9101 strobe. So strobe plate. Those two are light plates down to strobe plate. We got Gentex Commander 5, which is the I think it's I forgot. The buds in red, it's a strobe. I think it's a GS something like that. I don't know the model number, but comment that what model number it is. I forgot. I totally forgot. Yeah, I had the box probably somewhere, but yeah. Siemens remote lamp. I forgot what it is. Simplex test station. Forgot the model number. Faraday F1GG pull. System sensor mass non-ADA strobe. We have a Simplex 2904 9005, I believe. We got Wheelock MT 24 LSM VFR. System sensor spectral alert P122475. I'm sorry, P241575. Sorry about that. Space Age AV32 with a red bulb in it. Right over here we have a Radionix pull. It's 325A, I think. We have the Simplex 2001 9338. No, 9838. Simplex 2001 9833. Simplex 2001 9806. Next we have a Wheelock Alexa. Is it EYL8902 We have Simplex 29. Oh, I'm sorry. I Simplex 4904911 strobe. The Firelight BG6. Next we got a Simplex 4251-21. Gentex GXS strobe. Simplex 49039111 strobe plate. The Siemens, I think it's a UMCS-W. Here we got the White Commander 5. I think it's a GHSW. Yeah, GHSW. That's the white one. That's the horn strobe. Next to we got a system sensor SR LED. White. We got EST Genesis or Mertone Genesis G1RF-HDVM. Next we got the Chime Strobe version of it. The Edwards G1RF-CVM. Notifier LNG1R. Got the Siemens speaker strobe. I think it's an SE model, I think it is. SE-. Yeah, I can't remember off the top of my head what this one is. Got the MSI 10B from Cerberus, or Siemens Cerberus Biotronics. Simplex True Alert. This is a 490390. No. 9620. I totally forgot the number. It's a horn strobe. It's a 4-wire horn strobe. But yeah. Some Space Age light, which I forgot what it is. We got the System Sensor i4 Cosmo 2W. The monitor module's right here. Ooh. There it is. There is that. We got the Firelight BT12. Next to we got the fake BT12L. System Sensor 2151 with the 2151 smoke detector. Got the 6120 from Faraday or FLS. Faraday, what was that? 101 something. However, the plastic key lock broke on it, so I replaced it with a metal bolt. So yeah, that was a long time ago, but yeah. For now, I think this one is a 4090-6 AC chime, 4-volt AC chime. System Sensor L series, P2RL, Edwards 270 SPO. Got a Faraday 6220W. And the FCI strobe, I forget what the model number is. Simplex 2099-9002 pull station. FCI MS2. Below it, we have the System Sensor Mass ADA version. This is the ADA version of it. I forgot the model number, but it's a Mass. It's an ADA Mass. This one over here is a non-ADA version of it. Yeah, Simplex 499-9006, I believe. We have Wheelock NS 24 MCW FW. Wheelock AS 24 MCW. I'm sorry, MCW FR. The Notifier NBG10. System Sensor L series FCWL. We also get the, I think it's a Federal Signal 4050D. The Blue Justice Commander 3. I don't know why it's in the Firelight collection, but it's there for a reason. We got the Wheelock LEDs, Exceeder LED. It is a LSTR. Next, we got 4904. We have a 4904 9005. We got a Wheelock MIZ 24S-R. We got a notifier AMBG12L and a Solenoid PS-SA. Below it, we have the Simplex 4903. This is the white 4903. I'll show you the number, but it's a 9257. Sounds like a true alert. Very rare Newtone S245H. Smoke and heat detector. Looks like a Gentex smoke detector, but it's not. It's rebranded by Newtone. Next, we got Bosch F220 PTHC with the F220 B6C base. Wheelock Exceeder Xenon. This is a STW? No, STR. Yeah, STR. Got the 278-1120B. System sensor, P2RH just LF. The Boss D273 smoke detector. The Siemens rebranded LED Exceeder, Wheelock LED Exceeder speaker strobe. It's a Siemens rebranded one. I totally forgot the model number of it. We got the Faraday Evacuate strobe. Totally also forgot the model number of it. We got the Wheelock RSS24 MCW-FR. The system sensor 2451TH with the B402 base, which has a problem. I don't know what's wrong with it, but last time it went off and the system went off no reason. And there's something wrong with it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah. We have a Simplex True Alert speaker strobe. I forgot the model number of this. A ceiling mounted Siemens UMMT-MC -S, what is that? Candela number? 30-75 Candela. The big ESL 523CS. It's a big thing, you see. We got the Potter SH12. We got the Potter SH1224W. FJ-NS6. System sensor 561P heat detector. System sensor spectral advanced SW. System sensor spectral advanced P2R. System sensor LEDL series PC2W LED. System sensor 5451 heat detector. And we got the Wheelock Exceeder LED, I think it's a LHSRC, I think. We got the Simplex 4904 strobe, I forgot the model number. ESO 445C. System sensor 2312/24B. We got Wheelock RS 2415/75. System sensor I34W-B. ESL 445CT. It's the one with the thermal, and it's got a black base. This has got a white base. And last but not least, the system sensor BRK 1812. So that is my fire alarm collection. I also forgot about this as well. This is the MHW that's on my security system right now. It's a system tester MHW mini horn. I also forgot this, the 1080. So it's also in my collection, but I'm working on it right now. So yeah. As you can see, there it is. It's pretty big. Yeah. So let me know in the comments at what system test. What devices do you like to have next on the next system test? Next fire alarm system test. Comment down below, please. So, that is my collection. That's it, guys. That is the fire alarm collection. Most of the stuff is actually in the box. You can see the boxes there. And so, yeah. There it is, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.